Good day, viewers. Walter here. I'm out here by the flower garden today. On May the 30th, slight correction, that'd be March the 30th. On May the 30th, I planted these African daisies. The one we're looking at now with just one bloom is one that I rerouted over the winter. And it has survived. It hasn't done a whole lot of blooming this year. The other two are doing real good. Also on May the 30th, I planted my zinnias just from seeds from a neighbor's flower garden. They were in a can or a bucket on my porch all winter. I sprinkled the seeds out in the dirt. Here it is. It's now May the 29th. I'm going to do some weed eating around my zinnias and my African daisies, up and down around the bird bath and stuff. Weed trimming. We've had nothing but rain. And I want to stop just for a second and take a look at these zinnias. They have grown pretty darn good. So if I stand next to them, you get an idea. They're almost knee high. That one there is. I probably got them planted too close, but they sure are going to make some flowers this year. They are already started blooming. We'll take another look later in the year. See a pink one. And a yellow one down in there. I don't know what all colors they're going to be. It looks like my zinnias are going to do pretty good if I haven't got them crowded too close together. Let's do some weed whacking.